Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by gathering your ingredients for a simple Asian chicken noodle soup. 8 cups low-sodium chicken broth, 2 boneless chicken breasts, 3 cloves garlic, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, and 2 teaspoons sesame oil. Slice 3 green onions and grate 1 tablespoon fresh ginger, keeping the white and green parts separate. Prepare 6 ounces dried noodles and wash 1 cup bok choy or 1 cup sliced mushrooms. Have salt, pepper, and optional chili flakes ready so you can adjust seasoning at the end. Heat a large pot over medium-high heat and add 1 tablespoon neutral oil. Brown the chicken for 2 to 3 minutes per side to build flavor, then remove briefly. Pour in 8 cups low-sodium chicken broth, return the chicken to the pot, bring to a simmer, and cook for 15 minutes until cooked through. Add grated ginger and crushed garlic, simmering 5 more minutes to infuse the broth. Remove the chicken, shred with forks, and return meat to the pot before seasoning. Cook 6 ounces dried noodles separately in boiling water for 1 minute less than the package directions, then drain and rinse briefly to stop cooking. Add 1 cup sliced mushrooms or 1 cup bok choy to the simmering broth and cook until tender, about 3 to 4 minutes. Then return the noodles and shredded chicken to the pot to heat through. Assemble bowls with noodles, shredded chicken, and vegetables, ladle hot broth over them, and garnish with sliced green onions, a squeeze of lime, and 1 teaspoon sesame oil.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.